Augo, take life to go. The Augo heavy-duty ratchet straps are lab-tested and boast an impressive 2,200-pound brake strength with a premium ergonomic handle for ease and efficiency. The Augo ratchet straps are constructed of strong and durable polyester webbing. They also utilize premium rubber-coated S-hook clips and ultra-durable stitching to maximize strength. The Augo ratchet strap is abrasion and weather-resistant. The S-hook, with safety lock clips, make sure your hold isn't compromised. Soft loop tie-downs are also included. The Augo ratchet strap is available in 3 colors: safe, secure, reliable. Augo, take life to go.